In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Sheets. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to turn a block of data into a clean, easy-to-read table using borders. In Google Sheets, there isn't a formal table feature like in some other spreadsheet tools. Instead, we create a table by selecting the data and applying borders so each cell is clearly outlined. This not only makes your sheet look professional, it also helps you scan and share your data with confidence. First, open Google Sheets in your browser and load the spreadsheet you want to work with. Make sure your data is already organized in rows and columns, ideally with a clear header row at the top. If you're starting from a blank sheet, add your headings and fill in the rows before proceeding, so your table captures exactly what you need. Next, highlight all the data you want included in your table. Click and drag from the top left cell of your data to the bottom right cell. Include the header row if you want it bordered like the rest of the table. Avoid selecting extra blank columns or rows because those will also receive borders. If your data set is large, you can click the first cell, then hold Shift and click in the last cell in the range to select it quickly. You can also use arrow keys while holding Shift to expand your selection precisely. With your data selected, look for the borders icon on the toolbar above the sheet. It looks like a small square with a grid pattern inside. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're on the main toolbar and that a range is selected. The icon becomes active when cells are highlighted. Open the Borders menu and choose the option labeled All Borders. This applies lines around every selected cell, instantly giving your data the look and structure of a table. You'll see vertical and horizontal lines separating each row and column, making it easier to read and print. If you want to refine the appearance, you can adjust border color and line thickness from the same Borders menu, or bold your header row to distinguish it visually. If you accidentally included extra cells, simply reselect the correct range and apply all borders again to fix it. And if your data includes merged cells, consider unmerging them before applying borders for a consistent grid. That's it, your table is ready. You've opened your sheet, selected your data, clicked the borders icon, and applied all borders for a clean, organized result. Thanks for watching and happy building in Google Sheets.